Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop new customer, new vehicle. It's a 2003 Toyota Camry LE, and this one has two problems. Number one, the driver's window is stuck in this position. Number two, none of the window functions, window switches, neither there, neither on the other side, are working. Now the owner said, hey, it got stuck, I don't want to break it, pulling on it by myself, I'm not mechanic, please diagnose the problem, also figure out why the switches are not working. I checked the fuses, he said, and I didn't have any luck. And that gives me perfect opportunity to show you how to remove a door panel on this 2003 Toyota Camry. And I will start the whole procedure using this tool, which I use almost all the time in my shop. It's a Craftsman tool. And now, where are the first screws? So, sometimes in Toyota you can lift this area, push on the tab, and the whole thing goes up. This one is different design, 2003 Camry. Here is a little rubber part, and that is hiding Phillips screw down there. The other area where we have a Phillips screw is right here. Hopefully you can see it. So again, carefully, without damaging this plastic tower, I'm just lifting it up. Here you go. That's another part, and we discovered another Phillips screw. Now, where is the third one? Is there a third one? Well, I believe you have to get underneath this, and there will be actually the third hidden. These things get old and brittle, and I don't want to be the guy who will break it, right? So maybe it's from the behind here instead of front. Let's try on it from back. And voila, did you see that? Here comes the whole part, and we exposed another Phillips screw. Now I will really quickly show you close up. So that was the one inside, and you can see this one, it's really rusted, so I have to be careful. It was underneath that rubber mat. This is the top one, you see it. This is the other one, and that doesn't end. We have, if you look under, 1 and 2. So far we are looking at 5 Phillips screws. And everybody can remember, here is the gold one. This is the most expensive one, it's made of gold. So, that's right here. Put it down. Here is the black one. The very ordinary flat black Phillips screw. Let's see how fast this go out. This one is tricky, very rusted. I actually, oh yeah, did you hear that? How it popped? That's why I actually don't want to even use power tool, because that will be really easy to strip. Look at it, look at that amount of rust underneath that rubber protective part. And we said, even I don't need to get down there, right? You can touch it. We said we have two more Phillips screws down here. Now that should let us to lift this up without any special clips and so on. I believe that should go up right here. Let's see, look at it. Boom, nice. And the whole assembly is on. Now you have two options. Ideally you just unclip all of this. Let's do it for you, because I actually will be connecting the switch back to work on that window regulator. But if you are only replacing the door panel, and the video is about the removal door panel. Here is the clip, white clip. You just watch for these connectors, and that will allow me to pull this out. You want to see it live, I'm sure. Once again, one little check. There's no other catch, it's just here. It's this one. And guess what? This tool proved again to be absolutely priceless. Look how helpful this little thing is. No, I'm not paid by the craftsman to promote it to you. Just clarifying. And we have another Phillips screw, and it's right here. Do you need close-up on it, or can I just remove it? What do you say? It's right here, and it's another kind of gold looking. This one is the biggest one, and it came right here, pretty large one. Now this door panel should be still held by the plastic clips. You can either look for them and use tools like this, or you can have something like that. It's plastic, so it will not damage anything. And try to start popping it up. Let's see how successful I will be with this. Did you hear that? That's not breaking, and nothing is breaking. It's just the plastic clips, which I will show you in a while. They are slowly popping off. There are things falling off which was stuck behind the door panel and so on. This is always adventure. Many times you find a lot of stuff. Look, for example, this just fell out on the floor. I bet you it's a part of that window regulator, and that's why we have this window stuck. This is typical screw, short screw, bolt for window regulator. There's one more clip here. Yep, and that was it. Do I have to remove this? I probably have to remove this because we will be coming up, and I think it's in the way. And again, I don't want to damage anything. So how this baby will pop off? Very easy. Did you see that? It was towards to me, and now that entire door panel can travel up. Look at it. And we will be stuck here on the cables for that door handle. Can I show it to you from the other side? Due to the limited space and angles, I will just give you a shot of it, and I will go and unclip both of these, and then I will present you the whole panel. As you can see, the rest of it is free. There was no space, angle and possibility to show that unclip while I'm doing it and the camcorder being there. But what I did, I pulled on these two plastic parts. I pulled them out of its mounts, and these bolts just nicely came out. Let me show you on that panel. This was the area, and these were the two areas when I pulled it basically towards you, towards to the camcorder. The two bolts were right here, and they nicely came out. Also, let's see the rest of the door panel. Here, let's put it in the light so you see the detail of those clips I was pulling off. None of them are broken. These were the two screws which we removed. Again, the clips here, maybe one will be stuck. Actually, I see it. This one fell out and it's stuck still at the door. Let me try to show you again using this steel one. Craftsman, look how it's good. Look, this is really almost promotion of the tool, because that tool apparently can do anything. So what I said, I just need to transfer it back at the door panel right here. That's what you do. You just click it in sideways, and look, this is ready for the installation back. So I hope you enjoy this simple instructional video how to remove this panel, and please be subscribed because I will continue with this mystery of that stuck window and problem obviously with window regulator in the different video. Thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.